Today we're going to put the Kapalua by Echelon Homes through the Tuesday test. This is one of the better thought out 5-bedroom homes plans that I've seen. But there's one design decision in this house that's going to make some families absolutely love living here. And other families are going to notice it every single week. Same thing I say every Tuesday. I'm not here to tell you whether you should build this house. I'm here to help you understand what a Tuesday actually feels like inside of it. I'm Travis Harrison, realtor with Woods Brothers out of Lincoln, servicing the Lincoln and greater Omaha area. So Saturday gets you excited. Tuesday is the one you have to live. So let's walk through this plan. When you need 5 bedrooms and a builder balancing all of that, parents want privacy, kids want their own rooms, guests need somewhere comfortable. You still want all that entertaining space, and you still want the kitchen to feel connected. Echelon's solution was to divide the house into different living zones. As we walk through it, you'll see that the idea showed up over and over. So let's start where most days actually begin. You come in through the garage, you've got the mudroom, pantry, the kitchen is only a few steps away, and groceries don't have to travel halfway across the house. That's a really efficient everyday layout. The kitchen here opens up to the dining room, a great room, so whoever's cooking is still part of everything happening. And then you've got the primary suite tucked off over here by itself. And parents get their own part of the house. I also like the office near the front entry down here. More and more people are working from home, and having a dedicated office instead of taking over a bedroom is a really nice feature. So now let's look at the garage. It's a 4-car garage, which I love. The only thing I'm personally not a fan of is the 2 different parking directions. If the lot allows it, I'd rather have all 4 stalls facing the same way. I think it parks easier, organizes easier, and just functions a little better every day. That said, lots, setbacks, and the floor plan itself don't always give the builder or the homeowner that option. So this isn't about right or wrong. It's simply one of those personal preferences I'd think through before building. Now, 2 more things stood out to me on this main floor. First, I don't see a coat closet here by the front door. Someone's dining room chair is about to become the coat closet. That's something I definitely ask before building. The second thing is actually something I really like. There's a bathroom right off the garage here. I love this idea. Kids come inside dirty, you've been working in the yard, you've been around the fire pit, everybody comes through the garage anyway. Having a bathroom there just makes sense. But as I read the plan, I don't think I can actually access the bathroom from inside the house. If I'm reading that correctly, I definitely ask Echelon about it because I do love the location. I just wish it connected directly to the mudroom. So now let's go upstairs. You've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a loft in the middle here. I really like that. Kids have their own place to watch TV, play games, do homework, or just hang out without taking over the great room downstairs. And then right in the middle, the laundry room. Now, let's head downstairs. This is where the entertaining happens. Large theater room, a wet bar, an exercise room, bedroom number 5, another full bathroom. This doesn't feel like extra space. It feels like another place to live. A teenager could take this level, guests could stay down here, you could add another bedroom. Movie nights happen down here instead of taking over the upstairs. It gives the house another destination. And every Tuesday test comes down to one design decision. This one is how the house is divided. Parents, main floor. Kids, second floor. Guests or older kids, basement. Everyone gets their own space. And honestly, I do think that's a really smart way to organize a 5-bedroom home. But every good design decision solves one problem and quietly creates another. Remember this laundry room upstairs? If you're a kid, the laundry room is only about 10 feet away. It's an entire flight of stairs away if you're the parents. And it's 2 flights of stairs away if you're sleeping in the basement. Same laundry room, completely different experience depending on which bedroom has your name on it. Doesn't make it wrong. It just tells you who this house was primarily designed around. So the real question isn't whether this is a good floor plan. I do think it is. The real question is whether your family lives this way. Do you like everyone having their own space? Do you have older kids? Do you entertain downstairs? Do you have guests staying over? And if that's your life, this plan makes a lot of sense. If your family naturally spends every evening together, or you don't love running between those 3 different levels, that's worth thinking about before you build or buy this home. So here's my verdict. First, credit to Echelon Homes. I think this is a really well-designed 5-bedroom plan. I like how they've created different spaces for different parts of the family without making the main floor feel disconnected. I like the theater. I like the wet bar. I like the office. I like that mudroom pantry connection. I would ask about the bathroom off the garage, and in lieu of double doors at the front entry, perhaps add a coat closet in there, backed up against the stairs. And I'd spend a few minutes thinking about whether the upstairs laundry fits how your family actually lives. Because eventually, every beautiful house has a Tuesday. The excitement wears off, the furniture gets moved in, life gets busy, and all that's left is a Tuesday. That's the day this floor plan has to earn its keep. Every house is for someone. My job isn't to tell you whether it's a good house. My job is to help you figure out if it's good for your specific Tuesday. If you're building a home and want me to review your floor plan before it's finalized, that's exactly what a plan check is for. Send me the plans and let's figure out what your Tuesdays are really going to look like.